Hello, welcome to my channel Learn It Do It. I'm Sandhya. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful dress. You can see here you have yoke and flare begin from dart point. How you look back side. So I'm going to show you how it look like. You have yoke, sleeveless, and flare begin from dart point. Same, I cut back side. If you are going to make this dress with non-stretch fabric, attention, do not forget to make somewhere open. You can use zipper on side seam or back, anywhere but where you want. Also, I'm going to make this dress short as short dress. So another thing, I already showed my previous video how to make all-in-one facing method. You can use this method for this dress. So I already copied my basic pattern with big dart in waistline and small dart in side seam. Neckline, I mark first 4 centimeters, also 4 centimeters deep here. Make a nice curve. My shoulder, I take only 5 centimeters and connect with again with sleeve. Okay. You have here side dart. I'm going to remove this side dart with this yoke. First, I mark here 8 centimeters. This is yoke length, and I connect with this dart. So this is yoke. Okay. Now you can mark the length what you need. I took my dress length 102 centimeters. Draw a line. And connect with your waistline. Okay. Now I'm going to cut out this yoke piece. So this is your yoke piece, and I told you here is your dart. I'm going to remove this dart. I draw a line, nice curved line, and I'm going to remove this dart. Then you are going to sew. Okay. Now draw 1 1, 2, and 3, 4 lines until hemline. One, two, three, four, 5. You cut through these lines and spread for volume. So you can see now I spread only 3 centimeters wide. 3 centimeters, 3 here. Here you cut on fold. After you stick, you leave it sewing allowance and cut it. Make nice curve your hemline. Now you can see your front side already finished. Here is your dart point. Your flare start below dart point and cut bias. Cut this bias. Front already finished. So you can see I trace my back bodies. I'm going to mark 4 centimeters neckline and 4 centimeters deep. Make new neck line and take your back side, keep this together and mark your shoulder one and connect with sleeve. Look here. And I'm going to draw yoke, same width. I mark here. And I'm going to make 12. Center back, center back, side, shoulder, and cut out. And I'm going to do same method like front. Draw lines, cut through these lines and spread. So I'm going to stick paper under and 3 centimeters, you leave 3 centimeters for flare. Okay, back side also center front cut on fold. So you can see now this is back side cut on fold. Do not forget cut on bias. This is front ready, after you finish, please control whether side seam are same measurement. Also yoke piece, you can control side seams, and you put shoulders together and make nice curve here. Okay, not narrow. After you finish, I always do, I take what I draw, which pattern is this, and I write here measurements. I wrote here 120 centimeters long, and size, bust size 40 I already made, and I'm going to stick. How it works. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something from me and enjoy with my tutorials. If you are satisfied, please subscribe to my channel, learn it, do it. Until next time, stay happy and safe. I'm Sandhya.